Clearing a house from top to bottom can be a stressful experience, but Hughes Removals can take care of everything for you. Our friendly, punctual and dependable team will guide you through the whole process, and one of our team will visit you in your home to assess your belongings and provide you with a quote. We cover York and the surrounding areas, and our house clearances will ensure that all items are removed from your home in an efficient and speedy way. And if you have items of furniture that are still in good condition, we can even give you a price to buy them off you for resale in our very own second-hand shop, Aladdin's Cave. From sofas and white goods to antiques and bric-a-brac, we'll ensure they go to a good home. And for those items that can't be sold, we will ensure they are donated to charity or safely disposed of. So contact us today to find out more. Hughes Removals, for a smooth, stress-free house clearance.